So, are you too rich? You don't know what to do with your money? No problem, we have eBay. Shenzhen is our friend. Yeah, it's way too big to get into the frame. There are a lot of, let me not show the address. Yeah, a lot of them. If you are a maker like me, like maker of half projects or complete projects, you'll love eBay China. Let's begin. So I know what I ordered, but I forgot what I ordered because you have to wait like 2-3 months sometimes for something to come up. So I'll take them one by one and we'll see what we can get from the eBay China. First one. Oh, actually, let me use my Conan sword. Of course. Yeah. But it's not sharp. Yeah, it sucks. First item. What the hell is this? Quality wrapping. Okay, I think this is a MOSFET switching thing. Focus. Yeah. It's basically a solid state switching board, I think. Or not. We'll investigate later. Nice. Next one. I should sharpen this. It become way too dangerous. Okay. What do we have here? Cookies. Nope. Yeah, these are, I think, passive or active buzzers to make beeps. I don't know which one is which version, but we can see later on. A bunch of them. Next one, I'll use the forceps. Alright, this one is a jack cable, audio jack. I basically bought it for my retro computers to load games from a telephone, from a smartphone directly into the computer, and this one in the smartphone, or you could put it in some cassette player or something like that to load the games from. Nice. Next one. Yeah, this is just a small... why did I bought this? I don't remember. But why did I bought it? I have like 1,000 screwdrivers, not divers, drivers. I don't really remember, really. Ah, wait, is it a 3-wing? Yes, oh yeah, okay. So this is for the Nintendo handhelds, Nintendo DS, or it has 3 wings. 1, 2, 3, okay. Yeah, that's why I bought it. Because I didn't like the small ones which were coming with the kits, with the shell case kits for the Nintendo DS or Game Boy. This is nicer. Okay, this is the same probably, just another model. Yes, it's actually smaller. 3-wing. Nice. 2 millimeters, I think. Way nicer. What is this? This is for my GoPro. I think it's for the it's a wristband. I can do it. Yeah, you just put it like this and you put your GoPro. Of course, I'm not a sporty guy. I don't know why I actually bought it for what. Probably for the projects I do in the basement of my building. Well, it will come handy. It will come handy sometimes. Okay, we have a big one here. Wait, that's it? No, I have more. Okay, this one is a friend of mine's fault, because he wanted a Lazy Susan. So of course I was searching Lazy Susan's tables. But I ended up buying a ball bearing, so you can make your own. See? I'm a Lazy Susan. I can roll. Yes. Yeah, she can roll. So you just put a board on here, and you can put another board on the bottom, or just screw it to some table or whatever you want to do. That is nice because you can build your own if you want, as big as you want. I guess it will hold quite a lot of weight. It's not a problem. Just some bearings, probably 50 kilos without a problem. Yeah, paper, I can do this. Yet another cable. For what? This is a USB-C. I think it's for the GoPro. I wanted one directly to the USB. It's a longer one. It's nice braided. Noise. Yet another one. I am weak. Weak, I tell you. What is this craziness? Aha, yet another GoPro accessory for the car, which I don't own or have. I don't even have a driving license. But I bought it, you know. You never know when a car shows up on your doorstep. You can just put this on your forehead, or on your belly. It will stick, probably. I'm a robot. I'm a robot. No, you are not. Next one, easy one. What the hell is this? Ah, okay, I know. Ah, this sucks. I thought it was more gummy. So basically I want to make a stand for the TS80 solder gun. And I wanted some kind of silicone rubbery thing to make a ring out of it. And I thought this was a bit more rubbery, but it's like a plastic foil for putting stuff on, hot stuff on it. Actually no, it's for you put it on the frying pan and then you put stuff on it to fry it or heat it up without the thing to stick on the frying pan. But I wanted something more gummy. This is not really gummy. I guess it could work. You'll see it in a future project video for a TS80 stand. Okay, cut this easy. Ooh. So this is a screwdriver helper. So you just put the screw. You put the screw here, and the bit is inserted here, and the driver or the electric screwdriver there, and it holds the screw in place because it's magnetic. It's kind of helpful when you screw a lot of screws. Next one. Yes, it's yet another set of active, and is active or passive, I don't know, buzzers to make sounds with the Arduinos and whatnot. Probably passive or active, but I think, I don't know, passive or probably passive, I don't know, because it's passive. We still have more of them. Paper is easy for me, I'm strong for this. Okay. Okay, so this is CAN protocol devices, I don't know, how do you call them? So basically this is kind of a serial communication between various modules in vehicles, in cars, but you can also use it to communicate information between various modules of your application. The CAN protocol, it's available, open source, whatever. And this is just a breakout board and a receiver, transceiver, whatever. MCP2515. You just send the data from the Arduino and you output it outputs on 2 wires only. So I got 3 of these. I don't know what I'll do with them. I just got them. Just to have them in my private collection. Next one. Ooh, strap. I like that. Let's see. Oh, wrist strap. Hey, finally. I ordered this like 10,000 years ago. Hey, look at the quality. It's like a watch. So this is anti-static wristwatch, right? So you connect it to the ground and you will not worry a bit anymore about damaging your ICs and other components which are static and ergon sensitive. You can put this anywhere actually. And that's pretty much it, folks. A lot of crap from China. Actually, nice crap. I have some nice crap. Nice scrap. Straps, CAN drivers, modules, active or passive buzzers, screwdriver, magnetic stuff, some silicone which I will probably never use, some wires, a not so lazy Susan, some wrist strap for the GoPro, some car strap Bailey S thing for the GoPro, some drivers for the Game Boy and Nintendo DS and DS, some active or passive buzzers, a jack for the retro computers loading of games, and some MOSFETs, something for switching things off and on. And I think that's it. So that's it for today, folks. Have a nice day.